Hi, I'm Suzy Meisner-Esquibel with REMAX Capital Properties. I have to tell you, living in Cheyenne, Wyoming for me and my family has been the greatest part of our life. It's an amazing community. If you ever come here to visit, you're going to see that people are genuine. And when I say that, I mean they're kind, they're considerate, and we love our community. We work very hard together to help every possible need. We try to fulfill it. Cheyenne is a wonderful place to live. I know, you hear all about the wind. But you know what, sometimes you gotta take something in order to get all the greatness. So the little wind that blows here is nothing compared to how wonderful it is to live in this community. If you're ever interested in seeing this community, you should just take a drive up from Colorado or down from Montana, or come over west from Nebraska, or, oh my gosh, Utah. Wyoming is a beautiful state. We have the most amazing mountainside on the west side. If you go towards Jackson, our Indian reservations or our native lands, you should go take a look at those. You'd be amazed as to when you're driving the plains, you think there's nothing there, but then there's just these ravines and crevices and beautiful mountainous areas. The camping, the hiking, and the people. Cheyenne is an amazing place to live, and my family has chosen to live here for almost 30 years. We've participated in everything we can think of, from state legislation to city council to chamber of commerce to real estate. So we'd welcome you anytime, and stop by and see us at REMAX Capital Properties, and I'm happy to share more as to why Cheyenne.